There are two pipe connectors that need to be placed in this pump, one on the suction side and one on the discharge side. After placing the connectors on both ends, assign parameters to each connector's diameter, set the discharge diameter as a type parameter and the suction diameter as an instance parameter. Then, assign the primary connector by selecting a connector and choosing Reassign. In some families with multiple connectors, you may also need to link connectors to define the direction of flow. To do this, select one connector, choose Link Connectors, and then pick the other connector to connect it with. When done, you'll see a dashed line with anchor symbols between them, indicating the two connectors are now linked. Let's do a quick experiment to understand the difference between type and instance parameters. Open a project and load the pump family into it. Then, create two pipes, one connected to the suction head and one to the discharge head. Make sure the pipe diameters are different from the connector diameters. After connecting the pipes, observe the results. For the instance parameter, the suction head, when the pipe diameter is different, the connector diameter automatically adjusts to match the pipe. This shows that instance parameters are dependent on the object they're connected to. However, for the type parameter, the discharge head in this case, when the pipe's diameter doesn't match the connector's diameter, the pipe can't connect to the pump. If this pipe type have a reducer, Revit will automatically add a reducer between the pipe and the flange. The connector diameter remains unchanged. This means type parameter connectors are independent. They keep their original settings regardless of what they connect to. Understanding this difference is important, as it helps you decide which type of parameter to use in different families. For example, valves typically use type parameter connectors, while dampers often use instance parameters. Next, set the system classification for each connector. Change the discharge connector to hydronic supply and the suction connector to hydronic return. That covers the basic steps and principles of working with connectors in a pump family. Finally, set the family category to mechanical equipment and the classification to pump.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.